Welcome to the F-Bound Podcast. I'm your host, Shannon Schroeder, Executive Function Coach. I help neurodivergent women learn tips and strategies to improve the life skills that will help them be successful. Autism and organizational skills. Living with autism presents unique challenges, and one area that can be particularly difficult for people on the spectrum is organizing and prioritizing daily tasks. Processing information, predicting consequences, understanding the concept of time, and coping with executive function tasks can all impact an autistic person's ability to stay organized. However, with the right strategies and support, you can develop effective organizational skills and thrive in your daily life. Understanding the impact of autism on organizational skills. Autism affects individuals differently, and some may struggle more with organizational skills than others. Sensory overload, short-term memory issues, stress from unexpected changes, and difficulty with time management can all pose challenges when it comes to staying organized. But by understanding how these factors can affect us, we can develop strategies to overcome them and harness our unique strengths. Sensory overload, navigating a world of overstimulation. Living in a world that bombards us with sensory stimuli can make it challenging to focus and maintain organization. The constant need to self-soothe can drain our energy, leaving us little capacity to develop organizational skills. You want to try to minimize sensory overload and create a more conducive environment for organization. Stim toys. Stim toys such as fidget spinners, twisting toys, and chew necklaces can help release anxious energy and provide sensory stimulation. Noise-canceling headphones can also be a valuable tool for reducing auditory overload. Creating a sensory-friendly environment. If possible, create a sensory-friendly space at home where you can retreat and recharge. Consider using lamps with calming colors and patterns to create a visually soothing atmosphere. Short-term memory, finding strategies to remember and stay focused. Short-term memory issues can make it challenging to keep track of belongings and tasks. Getting easily distracted or impulsively switching tasks can lead to disorganization and frustration. Here are some strategies to help. Visual reminders. Utilize written lists, checklists, or sticky notes to help you remember tasks and important information. Placing reminders on mirrors or outside doors can offer visual cues to prompt action. Chunking tasks. Break larger tasks down into smaller manageable chunks to make them more approachable. This can help us stay focused and prevent overwhelm. Stress from unexpected changes. Navigating the unknown. Autistic people often thrive on routine and predictability. Unexpected changes can cause significant stress and disrupt our organizational efforts. While it may be challenging to adapt to these changes, incorporating strategies can help us cope with stress and maintain organization. Flexibility within routine. Embrace a flexible routine that allows for adjustments when unexpected changes occur. By incorporating a system that allows for rescheduling or canceling tasks without guilt, we can adapt to unforeseen circumstances while maintaining a sense of structure. Social stories and visual supports. Utilize social stories and visual supports to help navigate unexpected changes. These tools can provide a clear understanding of why organization is important and what might happen if we don't meet deadlines or attend activities as planned. Difficulty with time management, making time our ally. Autistic people often struggle with understanding the concept of time, which can impact their ability to manage tasks effectively. Strategies and supportive tools can help improve time management skills. Visual timers and alarms. Utilize timers and alarms, whether through dedicated devices or smartphone apps, to provide visual and auditory reminders for tasks and deadlines. These tools can help us stay on track and manage our time more effectively. Calendar and planner apps. Embrace the power of technology by using calendar and planner apps to organize schedules and keep track of important dates. Apps like Google Keep and Apple Notes allow for easy creation of to-do lists and provide a visual representation of tasks completed. Harnessing the autistic strengths for organization. While autism may present challenges when it comes to organization, it also offers unique strengths that can be harnessed to develop effective organizational skills. By understanding and leveraging these strengths, we can unlock our potential and thrive. Embracing the need for routine. As I mentioned, autistic people often thrive on routine and sameness. This need for consistency can serve as a powerful tool for organization. By embracing our natural inclination toward routine, we can create structures that support our organizational efforts. Getting organized autistic style. Don't fight your natural inclination to have structure. The key is to find a balance between routine and adaptability that can work for us. Minimizing sensory overload for improved focus. Reducing sensory overload is essential for maintaining focus and organization. By implementing strategies to create a sensory-friendly environment, we can optimize our ability to stay organized. Decluttering and organizing spaces. Keeping surroundings clutter-free and organized can minimize visual overload and create a calming environment. Start small by focusing on one area at a time, such as the kitchen or living room, and gradually work toward organizing the entire space. Utilizing technology for enhanced organization. Technology can be a powerful ally in your quest for organization. With a plethora of apps and tools available, we can leverage technology to support our organizational efforts. Tablet and smartphone apps. Calendar apps, planner apps, and note-taking apps can help us manage our schedules, tasks, and deadlines. Explore options such as Google Keep, Apple Notes, and other productivity apps to find the ones that work best for you. Personalizing organizational strategies. It's important to remember that what works for one autistic person may not work for another. Embrace your uniqueness and experiment with different strategies to find the organizational approach that suits you best. Trial and error. Don't be afraid to try different techniques and systems until you find the one that resonates with you. It may take some time and experimentation, but the process of discovering what works for you can be empowering. Seeking support and learning from others. Autistic adults have a wealth of knowledge and insights to offer when it comes to organization. Seeking support from the autistic community can provide valuable tips and guidance. Autistic adults' perspectives. Explore blogs, videos, and forums created by autistic adults who share their experiences and strategies for organization. Their first-hand insights can offer new perspectives and inspiration. You are not alone. Navigating organizational challenges as an autistic person can be daunting, but it's important to remember that you're not alone. Embrace the diversity of neurodivergent experiences and find comfort in the knowledge that support is available. By embracing neurodiversity, we can shift the focus from trying to fit into a neurotypical mold to embracing our individuality and finding strategies that work for us. Connect with others who understand your experiences and challenges. Seek out support groups, online communities, and organizations that cater to the needs of neurodivergent individuals. By sharing and learning from each other, we can create a supportive network that uplifts and empowers us. Remember to celebrate your progress no matter how small. Developing organizational skills is a journey, and every step forward is an achievement worth acknowledging. Be kind to yourself and recognize the effort you put into improving your organizational abilities. I hope you enjoyed this episode of the F-Bomb podcast. Thank you for listening. Remember to subscribe below and check out my show notes to learn more about my Facebook group, courses, and membership.